This 2015 Audi Q5 Premium has a stunning blue exterior and desirable pistachio beige leather interior. It's factory equipped with the impressive 2.0-liter four-cylinder TFSI engine and 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic. So this 2015 Audi Q5 Premium produces impressive MPGs. Add in the road handling of all-wheel drive, and this 2015 Audi Q5 Premium is built for perfection. A few of the Q5's premium valuable features include a power tailgate and 3-zone climate control, as well as the Audi Music interface with iPod integration. When you pay attention to detail, it certainly pays off. Such is the case with Audi's beautiful LED daytime running lights. These iconic lights are intended to help make you more visible to other drivers, but they're designed so beautifully they attract attention for their style alone. It's something that has Audi beaming with pride. And desirable installed features include the leather upholstery, alloy wheels, HomeLink system, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, power windows, locks and mirrors, rain sensing windshield, an MP3 player dock, keyless entry, and steering wheel audio controls. This 2015 Audi Q5 Premium also comes factory equipped with the anti-theft system and integrated turn signal mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, a power driver seat, and multi-zone climate control. In addition to this Audi Q5 Premium, we have 32 other Q5s just like this one in stock at Audi Auto Gallery, located at 21301 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California. Come see it for yourself today.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.